Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to implement a web page with real-time feedback to turn the LED on and off and control its brightness. In this circuit, 5 LEDs with 220 ohm current limiting resistors are connected to GPIO pins 16, 17, 18 and 19. We will control the brightness of the LED connected to GPIO pin 21 through a web page with real-time feedback. And we will turn the other remaining LEDs on and off through the web page with real-time feedback. In this code, we are creating a simple web interface to control the state and brightness of the LEDs using a ESP32 microcontroller. First, we include the necessary libraries Wi-Fi.h for Wi-Fi connectivity and WebServer.h for hosting the web server. The ESP32 will operate as a access point with the SSID ESP32_LED_control and a password for network security. The code defines the GPIO pins to which 4 LEDs are connected, pins 16, 17, 18 and 19, and one LED pin 21, whose brightness will be controlled. The initial brightness level of the LED is set to 0. A web server object is created to listen on port 80. Allowing communication between the ESP32 and the web interface. The LED states array tracks the on-off state of each LED, and the generate HTML function builds the HTML page with buttons to control each LED's state and the brightness of the special LED. Each button, when clicked, sends a request to the ESP32 to toggle the corresponding LED state or set the brightness. The brightness control includes button for setting the brightness to 25%, 50%, 75% or 100%, which corresponds to different analog values 0 to 255. In the setup function, we initialize the LED pins as a output and set them to low. The ESP32 starts as a access point with the defined SSID and password. Then the server routes are set up. The root route / serves the HTML page, while / toggle LED and / set brightness handle request to toggle LEDs and adjust brightness. Finally, the server.begin function starts the web server. In the loop, the server.handle client method consistently checks for incoming client requests. Overall, this code allows user to control the LED's state and brightness through a web page, offering real-time feedback. Now connect the ESP32 board to the PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE and load the code file. Once the code file is open, select the correct board and port. After selecting the board and port, upload the code to the ESP32 board by clicking the upload button in the Arduino IDE. Now connect your smartphone to the ESP32 access point by entering the password. Next, open the browser on your smartphone and type the IP address of the ESP32 board. After entering the IP address, press enter. You will now see that you can control the 4 LEDs and adjust the brightness of the 5th LED. When you refresh the web page, you will see the current states of the LEDs and the brightness of the LED. This is possible because we implemented the feedback logic using the LED states array. So if you close the browser and open it again, you will still see the current states of the LEDs and the brightness of the LED. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.